Hi guys, this is a quick video in which I'm going to show you how you can decorate your coffee table for winter. So I'm at my mother's place and this is her center table, and to decorate it I use this wooden carved tray which we got from Banjara market, and to add a touch of greenery I kept this Syngonium plant in water, and this is a clay Ganesha idol. I kept it just right under the tree so it gives a very calm and soothing effect. And this is the latest decorative piece which I bought from Kerala, so I kept it here. And to add a little more decoration I kept this wooden bowl, and here goes the shell. And winters are almost incomplete without reading, blanket, chai, coffee and everything. So I kept few books which they are currently reading so that they can easily pick it from here, and whenever they want they can read it. And to decorate it a little bit I kept a small glass in which I kept small shells and some more decorative items. So this was a very quick video, and I just wanted to show you don't need to go to the market and buy new things to decorate any part of your home. It's all about your creativity and how you can use all those things which are actually lying in your home. So I really hope so many of you would have get ideas from here, like how you can decorate your coffee table or your center table for winters. You can even use, aromatic candles, diffusers to make your winters more cozy and welcoming for your guests.